Guys, Paul DeBellis to talk to you about the missing piece to your marketing puzzle. You know, you're shooting reels and you're posting them on Instagram, Facebook, all the social media sources out there, but you're not seeing conversion rates with your reels. So what's the added secret sauce that's gonna go ahead and promote those reels and convert them to sales? Well, it's a sales funnel. You need a sales funnel. What is a sales funnel? It's basically a process where you're bringing people from your reels that are interested in your product or your service, and they come to a landing page, and in that landing page, there's an opt-in form. So they put their name and their email address in there, and you have some kind of offer that's free or very low price that you're wanting to give away to be able to build your list and promote credibility in what you're doing. Your business really is unknown to people, and they have no clue who you are and whether you're legit or not. So you really need to prove yourself, and we find that the best way to do that is through mini workshops. It might be a 1-day workshop or a 3-day workshop. That's really up to you guys. And we're gonna go ahead and show you how to do those as well in some of our workshops. We've got a great mobile phone workshop that we put together as well. But today I wanna talk about and really focus in on a sales funnel, because this is truly the missing piece to the marketing puzzle. So once you shoot your reels and you're driving traffic to your landing page, if you don't have one, you need to create one. We're going to show you how to do that in our workshop. And once they come to your landing page, there's going to be some titles and description about what you're offering. Whether it be a product or service, it really doesn't matter. You really need to go ahead and have them opt in, put their name and email address in, and then you can go ahead and do a mini workshop. And you can cover what you need to cover as far as really educating people on your product or service. So once they opt in, they go to your mini workshop. That workshop might be 1 day, 3 days, like I said. Whatever you decide on, whether it be free or just a nominal fee. You see a lot of companies, they're doing $27, $37 for like a 3-day workshop. And at the end of the workshop, they're going to go ahead and do their offer for their paid. And typically you see a lot of mastermind groups that are offering their annual mastermind membership. But that doesn't have to be just that. You can go ahead and offer your product at that point for sale, or you could just go ahead and offer a 1-day, 3-day, 5-day workshop where you're teaching people hands-on how to actually do the system that you go ahead and tell them about. You know, in our workshop where we talk about the sales funnel, we actually walk you through and we show you step by step how to create that funnel. And when you leave the workshop, you're gonna have a finished product. So if you're truly serious, you want to learn more about how to promote your business, how to build a sales funnel, then go ahead and opt in. We've got a free workshop. We're going to cover all that with you guys. So don't be late though, because space is totally limited. We can't take that many people, and we're going to go ahead and offer this for a limited time for free. So opt in, and I will see you guys on the inside.